What's up, man? It's Gil from GilMade. I want to address a couple questions I'm getting on the Yamaha Morphous. First question is, what is it? It is a Yamaha Morphous scooter. Only imported from 2006 to 2008 in the United States. So it is rare, it is becoming limited, and they're getting bought up. So if you see one for sale and you really want to get one, just get it. Just get it. They're going to get harder to find. Again, and the next question I'm getting is how much? How much? Man, 14 years ago, you can get it for $1,000. Until recently, they were going for $1,500 to $2,000. Now I just seen one for $4,500. So with that being said, if you want one and you see one, just get it. Like I said, it's a limited. Not that many were imported to the United States. I believe you can get them imported. So I've been able to look up them on sale on OfferUp, Psycho Trader, I believe, and Marketplace. And after that, it's endless, man. We can, everyone asks, what does a green one cost? It's a bunch of different options we have. What rim do you want? What color? What exhaust? What audio system? What air ride system? Carbon fiber, not carbon fiber, you know, carbon seat, not carbon seat. It's just a bunch of different options. And that's when, if you're serious, you come DM me. I can help you. I can put you in the right direction, or you can do it yourself. I am coming up with a bunch of parts for these guys. I think I'm the only one that I know of that is making parts. I could be wrong. But yeah, man, those are the two questions that I get all the time. How much and what is it? And hopefully that helps you guys out. I will be having my how-to on the Morphous soon. Please follow, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Help me out there. Don't know if I told you guys already, I posted it, that me and my team and the guys that are helping me out, we are 9-to-5s. We have jobs. I personally am assistant parts manager at a local dealership here in my neighborhood. So we are 9-to-5, hence that reason why I don't get back too fast on a bunch of questions you guys have. And I'm not doing it full time at the moment, but hopefully with your guys' support, your guys' liking, subscribing, following, and all that stuff, and sharing, it might be a dream come true for me to start building these things and developing and start building different scooters. You know what I mean? I've been doing Ruckuses. We've got a PCX we're doing. Now we got the Morphous. We're gonna do the Majesty. We got a Bergman. We got a Forza. And ultimate goal is to get into the bagger game, get into Harley game. Too many people doing that. I do have a Harley. You know what I mean? Get a real bike, get a real bike. I do have a Harley Softail Deluxe. Been having bikes my whole life, so I get it, man. Some people like scooters, some people don't. But share, like, subscribe. GilMade on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. Please help me out, man. Thank you guys. Peace.